My name is Augustine Conduah. I have been employed by DeKalb Medical, proud member of DeKalb Medical Physicians Group. Our practice is DeKalb Orthopedics and Sports Medicine. At a younger age, towards 5th or 6th grade, I had that affinity for science, but it all sort of came together one day as we had a parent sort of show and tell, and one of our classmates' father is an orthopedic surgeon and was able to present and expose us to some of what he did each day. He brought in x-rays, he brought in models, he brought in actual implants to give us sort of a tangible appreciation for what he did, and I was pretty much sold from then. Originally born in West Africa, my father brought us to the States in 1979. So I was fortunate to be accepted into Stanford University for undergrad, where I pursued pre-medicine, of course, and ended up medical school at UCLA. And after that, upon completing my residency, ended up at the Houston Clinic, which is in Columbus, Georgia. Pretty much, you know, I'd say almost the birthplace of sports medicine under Dr. Jack Houston. James Andrews trained there and developed the program, and that was an awesome experience. As a sports medicine physician in this community, I am affiliated with high schools, especially high school football programs. That definitely need that medical coverage during the games to support the kids and allow them to play and have fun in a safe manner. I can't imagine myself practicing medicine for another hospital system. At DeKalb Medical Center, we practice as a community. The smiles that I get from patients whose lives that I've changed really is what it's all about.